everybody, welcome back to Pro-Am Outdoors. Today we're doing a DIY project for you. We're going to do a DIY camera boom on my kayak for under $30. There he is. Woo! Okay, on my kayak, I've got the seat set up. I've got my steering system for my trolling motor, and here's my kayak crate. And the thing is I've been putting my camera into the rocket launcher, taking over the shoulder shots, but sometimes it just falls or it goes a certain different direction, and I just don't like that video. So we're going to build a camera boom. Okay, for the materials that you're going to need to build this is going to be a multi-jointed deal, just like something that you buy for $150, $200, but we're going to do it out of PVC pipe for under 30 bucks. So you're going to need 3/4 inch elbows. You're going to need these really long, I think they're 4 inch long hex head stainless steel bolts, 1/4 by 20 on everything. We've also got these knobs that we're going to use, and we're going to put everything together. We also have this base plate that we have that we're going to mount to the kayak itself so we can actually screw everything in and be solid. How we're going to do that is using this part right here. You need some locking nuts to make all this work together, and you're going to see how well this actually works. It's pretty cool. Okay, so one of the first determining factors we're going to need to figure out what our measurements are, because I want to be higher than my kayak for the first joint. Looks like about 14 inches to do it. And we're going to start right here. This is where we're going to start. We're going to put these together just like this, but they're going to move. You see that? They're going to move. How we do that is we take a piece of this PVC pipe and we measure what we need inside. That is 3/4, so 3/4 and 3/4 is 1.5 inches, so we need to cut off 1.5 inches here. Now the reason that I'm using this gray PVC pipe over white, it's a lot stronger. If you notice how thick it is, it's a lot stronger than the white. It's a little bit more expensive, but from the joints, you can actually see the difference here. So we're looking at, it's gonna be hard to do, so we're gonna look at centered. The next part is you got to keep this from going anywhere, you need your lock nuts to go on the inside here. You've got to go all the way down to the bottom. So what I've done is I just put it together. Now I bent it to center, and it's not going to move anywhere because I got the bolt down there, or the nut. Now the way the joint works is that you put this piece in. It's already going to be tight, so it's going to be hard to move. Okay, so I got the bend on there. Hope it's about centered. And we're going to go in and hopefully line that up. There we go. Just keep working it down. There we go, just like that. Now you just take your nut, put it on, and you can tighten that down. We just go ahead and get the first joint on here. We're just going to fit it. You are going to need some gluing if you want to do it here like this, but I'm just going to use some screws put in. And the first joint, I'm going to do it like this so I can grab it with the handle. Like that. The next one I'm going to do is this shorter one here. This one here is actually going to be shorter where the camera can get on and I can manipulate the camera. Okay, so we got that piece on there. We'll put this piece on here. That's going to go there. We'll put that one on. As you can see, I started and I did a smaller length, so it's a little bit more solid here. It's real windy and it's not even blowing. But we'll get this painted. Okay, so my camera stopped recording, but at least you'll see I had it set here. I'll go ahead and use this anyway because I got a box I'm putting here, so that'll be okay. I didn't really like it there because it's like I'm thinking I could reach behind my seat. It'd be hard to get a hold of. So I saw the spot right here beside. I can put it here and here. I think it's going to be stronger too. So I'm just going to put it in here. And that should be good. That way it's actually over my shoulder, but I can actually move it to the center if I have to. How you like that with some PVC pipe? All you got to do is back off the nut here, and you can move it, and it joints down. Then you just screw it back, tighten it up, and it ain't going nowhere. Unscrew it, bring it back up, tighten it down. Same thing over here. You just loosen it, move the PVC pipe up, tighten it back down. And you got a crazy boom here.